Pingwa.
Hello everyone! I'm Becky and I'm the lead digital skills teacher at the Pingwa Lindsay Makerspace. Today I will be showing you how to design a simple maze game in Scratch using keyboard inputs, touch sensors, conditional statements, and different movement blocks, where an alien lost in space must move through the maze to return to his home planet. We will explore how to create our own backdrop, how to move our alien sprite with the keyboard arrows, and how to stop the alien from going through the maze walls. First, let's delete the cat sprite and design our maze backdrop. We're going to start with a space backdrop and then draw our maze on top of it. So let's first go into the Scratch library. Click this Space tab here to see all of the different space backdrop options. I'm going to go with the stars backdrop. Next, we can click on the Paint Backdrops tab, which is located here. This will bring you to the area with all the tools that will allow you to design your own backdrop. We will use this rectangle tool here to draw our maze walls. Click and drag out the rectangles to create your maze walls. Once you've created a rectangle, release it, and this blue outline will appear around it. You can then click on these small blue circles to change the length of your rectangle and the width. And you click on these arrows down here to change your rectangle from vertical to horizontal. You can also move your rectangle anywhere around the backdrop when it's highlighted. Make sure you click this filled box, which is located here, so that your walls will be colored in. And you can always press the undo arrow located here if you make any mistakes. This drop-down menu here will allow you to change the color of your rectangles. Make sure you use only one color for all of your walls, as this will be important later on when we add code. I'm going to use this green color. Now, before we start creating our maze in Scratch, you want to make sure that you draw and design your maze out on paper first. This will make the process much easier. Now I'm ready to begin designing. Now that I'm done creating my maze backdrop, I can add my alien and planet sprites by clicking on this cat head with a plus sign, located here. We will find some options for alien by clicking the Fantasy tab located here. I'm going to choose Pico Walking. Now I'm going to find a planet by typing in planet in the search bar. Once you've added your sprites, change their size in this menu here so that they fit inside your maze. I'm going to change the moon down to 30%. That should be small enough. And I'm going to change my alien smaller down to 15%. Click on your sprites on the stage area here and move the alien to the entrance of your maze and the planet to the exit of your maze. Let's take a break here and pick this up in part 2.